Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making vegetable jollof rice, so keep watching and let's do this. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. First, I'm going to fry my choice of proteins, and for that I'm using goat meat and gizzard. I'm going to fry the goat meat until golden brown and set aside. Next, I'll fry the gizzard, which I cut into pieces. I'm going to fry until golden brown and set aside. The next step is to make my stew base. In the same oil, I will add onions, minced ginger, thyme, and curry powder. I will mix well to combine and allow it to fry for a while. Next, I will add tomato paste. I will mix very well to combine and allow it to fry until the sour taste is no more. Next, I will add pepper mix, paprika powder, white pepper, and seasoning cubes. I will mix well to combine and allow it to fry. Once that is done, I will add my well-washed rice, mix very well to combine, and add meat stock. I will mix very well, cover with parchment paper or foil, and allow it to cook on a medium to low heat. At this time, I check on the rice. It's almost ready. I'm going to set it aside and stir fry my vegetables. In a pan, I will add small amounts of vegetable oil and allow it to heat up. Next, I will add my mixed veggies, red, green, yellow bell peppers and carrots. I will add all-purpose seasoning, mix very well, and allow it to fry for 3 minutes. Next, I will add the fried gizzard, mix very well, and it's ready. The next step is to transfer the veggies in the jollof rice, mix very well to combine, and we are done. Our vegetable jollof is ready. It's so delicious and flavorful. I hope you give it a try. That is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye!